Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am gonna show you how you can make this really cute flower chain bracelet. So let's get into the video. And going into this tutorial, I expect you to know the 4 basic knots of friendship bracelets. If you don't, you can click on the little eye icon and a video will pop up in which I explain the 4 basic knots. But for now, you are going to need 3 different colors. And I am going to use this multicolor because I want to test it out. It will be my stem color, so on this bracelet it's the green. I am going to use the dark blue for the yellow in the center and the light blue for the flower petals. And because you are going to make like this little loop, you need to double your strings, which means that you need to cut them twice the length you would normally do. And I would advise adding a centimeter or 2 on the color of your stem, because you are going to use that a lot more often. So I've cut my colors and I have separated them in 2 little bundles. On the right side I have the color I am going to use for my stem. And on the left side I have the 2 colors that I'm going to use for the flower. And what you first want to do is you want to take the 2 ends of your different colors from your flower and the other 2 ends. You want to put them in the same hand and you want to go look for the middle for this loop. And you need to put that to the side. Then you want to do the same with your stem color. So you want to take these 2 together and then look for the loop. And what you then want to do is you are going to grab your loop from your flowers. You are going to put your stem color through. Then you are going to put it on top and you are going to make a large knot, if I'm correct. And it should look something like this. What you then want to do is you are going to tape it down, because we are going to start making the loop. And you are going to take the lower color of your stem color, the lower string. And then you are going to make 5 backward forward knots on top of your 2 blue strings, and this will be one side of your loop. And then you are going to take off your tape. You are going to turn it upside down. Then you are going to tape it down again. And make again 5 backward forward knots with your stem color on top of your flower colors. And when you have done all of this, this will be your little loop. You are then going to take your tape off again. You are going to grab the little piece you've just made and put them together so that it will form a little loop. And you will tape that loop down. Then you are going to take the color of your flower petals and you are going to make a forward or backward knot on top of your other colored string. So in my case that will be light blue on top of light blue. Make sure this knot is tight, because that will determine how close your loop will be. Then you are going to take your stem color and your leftover color, the inside of the little flower. You are going to make a backward knot on top of those two strings on the left side, and you are going to do the same thing on the right side, but then it will be a forward knot. So then it is going to look like this. The next thing you are going to do is you are going to take your the color of the inside of your flower, and you are going to make a backward or forward knot on top of the same color, so that you have a little inside. You will then grab your inside of the color and your stem color again. You will take your blue string, and on the right side you are going to make a backward knot on top of them. And on the left side you are going to make a forward knot on top of those two strings. And then you will again close it off in the middle with a backward or forward knot. And as you can see, you've just finished your first flower. I will now explain how you can make like the parts in between each flower. So what you then want to do is you are going to grab your stem color again, and you are going to make backward forward knots on the right side. You're again going to make 5 of them. And of course you can make this part as long or short as you want. I just thought that 5 would be the one I would like to do, but you can of course make it longer. Then you are going to do the same thing on the left side, but then you are going to make forward backward knots. And you can make 5 again. And once you've done that, you have done all of the steps that need to be done for this pattern, and you can start making another flower again, so closing it up with the color of your petals. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or video recommendations, leave them down below in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.